Okay, here's another video for homework 32. I do think in the last video I may have messed up the decimal points. It says tenths and I think I did hundredths. So when we have a right triangle and they give us an angle like 25 degrees and then it says something like 10 and x and it wants us to find how big x is. Well, if this is our angle theta, then this would be adjacent, this would be opposite, and this would be hypotenuse. We want to know what x is, and we already know that h is 10. So we have to choose those two sides. Which two sides line up in SOHCAHTOA? That would be sine. So we write out the sine of 25 is x over 10. So to solve this, I'm going to multiply by 10 because the opposite of divide by 10 is multiply by 10, and I get 10 sine 25. And I just type that in. So 10 sine of 25, and you should get 4.22, and I want to round to the nearest tenth. So this is not big enough to round it up. The answer is just 4.2. Okay, let's do another one that's kind of the same. So let's say we have the same 25-degree angle and we have x and 15. Well, if this is theta, then this would be adjacent and this would be opposite. Adjacent and opposite is the tangent. So we have tangent of 25 is 15 over x, O over A. Now notice this is different. In the first problem, x was on top. When x is on top, you just multiply by the denominator. In this problem, x is on bottom. When x is on bottom, you switch places with these. So when I switch them, I get x equals 15 over tangent of 25. And every problem will be like the first one or the second one. You'll either multiply or you'll switch. There are no other options. So 15 divided by the tangent of 25 is 32.16. This 6 is going to bump this up to a 2, and the answer is 32.2. All right, let's do a couple more. Let's say we have 80 degrees and x and 12. Well, if this is theta, I don't know what I did. If this is theta, then this is h and this is a. Which one uses h and a? That would be the cosine. So cosine 80 is equal to 12 over x. Is this a multiply or a switch? Well, whenever x is on bottom, you do the switch. So x equals 12 over the cosine of 80. 12 divided by the cosine of 80. 69.1. That would be your answer. And again, your calculator has to be in degrees. If it's in radians, you're not going to get these answers. So if you're getting weird answers, look through your settings in your calculator and switch from degrees to radians, or from radians to degrees. Okay, let's do one more. X, 5, and 10 degrees. All right, if this is theta, then this would be opposite and this would be adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. So the tangent of 10 is x over 5. This is a multiply problem because x is on top. 5 tangent of 10 is 0.88, which rounds up to 0.9. Okay, I hope that helps. Tomorrow I'll send out another video for 33. Good luck.